Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Nintendo turtle of some sort. Turtle right there. Okay. I have a Tigger keychain. A Tigger keychain. Tigger. Tigger. T-I-double-G-R. Alright. Then we've got a dolphin with no eyes. A little dolphin with no eyes. We have what is this? This is from Mattel. It doesn't tell me what it is. It looks like some sort of maybe a crawdad or something, a crawfish. He's sitting right there. I'll just leave him there. Okay. We have a kangaroo. I don't know if this is a variation of one of the Pooh Bear stuff. I don't know. We have, here's a little Roo keychain. Okay. Put little Roo there. Here's Eeyore with a Tigger outfit on. Another keychain. So we got a whole theme of Pooh Bear stuff going on here. The little keychains. Okay. And you ready? It is made by Gund. One of the VeggieTales. The cucumber, I believe it is. Is it Bob? I think Bob's the tomato. It's Larry the cucumber. That's it. So Larry's right there. I have an empty bag. It was $1.99. Pretty cool. We have a Teletubby. We have a rolling bag. We have, I think it's Roo and Mom. I'm not sure. We have a couple of characters from Nintendo brand. We've got some sort of weird looking crustacean. Larry the cucumber. Tigger. Lips the fish. Let's see. Was that Mikey Moose? And an eyeless dolphin. Oh, wait a second. Is it, I just said what it was. Eeyore. Is it Eeyore? Yeah, Eeyore and Roo. And, of course, Poe, the Teletubby. That's it, guys. Hey, thanks for coming along on this journey on a very special grab bag special. Because we have all this special stuff. So it's special. It's a special show. But thanks for coming along. For those of you who've been with us before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for updates. And this is the DIY Magician. Till next time. Bye-bye now. Poe. Bye. Larry the cucumber. Bye. Tigger. T-I-double-G-R. Bye. Goodbye.